This video will show you how to add a charge using a blank matrix and an attribute. It will add 0 as the price, allowing you to add a different amount after the job has been completed and the charges are known. This charge could be used for any extras you are unaware of when taking a booking, such as car parking or waiting time. You first need to create a blank matrix. Click on the Matrix tab in Admin. Right-click anywhere within the white-lined area and select New Matrix. Add a name for your matrix. We are going to call this one Blank Matrix. You want to make sure that the status is active and that Charged By is set to pounds. None of the other settings matter, as this matrix will have no fixed prices. Press OK to save the matrix. You have now created your blank matrix. Next, you need to create a vehicle attribute. Click on the System Parameters tab in Admin. Double-click on the vehicle parameters, then double-click on the vehicle attributes. This will show you a list of attributes that have already been created. To create a new attribute, right-click anywhere within the white-lined area and select New. In the Value field, enter a name for your attribute. Here we are going to name it Extras. You will also need to add an abbreviation for your attribute. Here we are going to add EXT. Press OK to save your attribute. You've now created your Extras attribute. Now we need to add the blank matrix and the attribute into your job type to create your charge. To do this, click on the Accounts tab in Admin. Find the job type you want to add the charge to. This should be in your template account. If it isn't there, then copy the job type from the original account and paste it into the template account. You do not want to change the pricing in the live account in case any mistakes are made. We are going to add the charge into the cash standard job type. Double-click the job type to open. Select the Future Charges tab and select today's date from the Valid From drop-down calendar. This will make the job type active. Click New Charge and add a charge name. Here we have named it Extras. Click into Invoice As and the charge name will copy across. Now select the charge basis. From the drop-down list, select Matrix Trip Lookup. Make sure the Alt charge basis is set to 0. Select the matrix you have just created from the first choice drop-down list. We now need to tell it when to fire this charge. We do this using an attribute. Click on the Attribute button and select the attribute you have just created. Press OK to save. Then press OK to save the job type. You need to test the job type in the operator program to make sure the charge is applying correctly. Now when the attribute is selected on a job, this charge will look into the matrix and find no fixed prices. It will then look at the Alt charge basis, which is set to 0. This just means that it will put a 0 in the box, and this will allow you to add a price at a later time. If you are happy with the charge, you can copy the modified job type from the template account and paste it back into the original account. You should now be able to add a charge into your job type using a blank matrix and an attribute. If you are still having problems after watching this video, then please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract. But please make sure you have checked the basics first. Thanks for watching.